Hey, I'm Brian Johnson. I own Manus Body Shop in Holland, Michigan. We're an independently owned auto body repair shop that's been in business since 1940. So one of the things that I really wish we could educate our customers on more is just how their insurance policy is written in regard to the use of aftermarket parts in the repair. Most insurance company policies are written only to cover the cost of aftermarket or generic parts. This is becoming a really big issue in our industry, and it's really tied to a number of things. One, aftermarket parts rarely fit the same as an OEM part that's manufactured by your vehicle maker. Two, aftermarket parts, overall quality is not as good, so they don't last as long in terms of overall how they last in the length of time they last on your vehicle. And then the third component is a little bit deeper and more important, and that has to do with overall safety. So your manufacturer designs your car in a specific way, and aftermarket parts do not perform the same way in a crash as what an OEM part does. And so what we're really trying to do is educate people on what parts are being used in the repair, making sure that we fix the car exactly how the manufacturer says so that you get the safest repair possible. As a shop, we've gone through many of the vehicle manufacturers' certification processes to make sure that we know how your car's manufacturer states is the safest, most effective way to fix your vehicle, so that you know when you get your car back, it's been done how your manufacturer says, and you can trust the safety of the repairs that were performed. Hey, if this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button or subscribe.